If you have clicked this video, I know that you're looking for a job, and trust me, I know how difficult it is to find a job. It's a time-taking process, it's exhausting, and it's a really long process. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can be aware of what you are doing and maximize your chances of getting hired. So let's get started. We apply to so many companies, and we also send message to so many people on LinkedIn for referrals or message to hiring manager, but we often lose track to company we reached out to, and we often forget to follow up on them. And also we spend so much time on applying to companies in job searching, but the results are not immediate. And at the end of the day, we feel like we are not doing anything, and no matter how much you try, you are not getting even a single call or even a single offer. That's why I made a job tracker for myself on Notion, where I can keep track of all the applications, referrals, the interviews I got, the companies in which I got rejected, and also I made a section for offer. With this tracker, I get a sense of that I am going forward and I am trying my best, and at the end of the day, I can see that I applied to these companies and these were the result. And I always keep my weekend to analyze all these things. So on weekend I make strategy that I applied to 10 companies, but I didn't hear back from 9 companies. So what was the problem? Was the problem in my message, or the problem was in my email, or it was in my CV? I try to find out those problems, and then I keep doing this process. What happens because of this is I get a bigger picture, and I get to know that how many companies I applied to and with how many companies I had my first interview. And if there is any company who emailed me and asked me to schedule an interview but I didn't hear back from them, so I know that which are these companies and where I am stuck in the interview process, and so I can follow up on the mail and I can ask about the further process. And this thing has been really helpful to me. Let me show you the job tracker, and I will walk you through the process I usually do, and I will also leave the link of the template in the description so you can duplicate it and you can start making your own tracker. I just want to take a moment and thank Notion for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, Notion, for supporting my channel. It really means a lot. I have been using Notion for like more than 5 years, and I use it for everything, for my day-to-day life. I also use Notion for writing my content for all the socials, so you can find my all the content for LinkedIn, for Instagram, and all the scripts of the YouTube videos. I also use it for the financial tracker, so I know that how much money I am making from where and what I am doing with that things. If you don't know what Notion is, you can click on the link in the description and you can check it out. They also have free plan and paid plans, so you can check it out from the link in my description. Now let me show you my Notion tracker. So here is my job search planner. Here you can see that I have made a section which is called application process. Here I have made 7 sections so I can make track of all the things. In the companies I have to apply, in the companies I already applied, in the companies I applied through referral, and if I'm interviewing in some companies, and or if they have called me for on-site interview, and the last two, one section for offer and another section for rejection. So here you can see that like these are the list of company in which I have to apply. So Airbnb, PayPal, Uber, SAP, Intel, Cisco, Zalando, in all this company I have to apply. So for that, what I will do is I will go on LinkedIn and I will ask for referrals. If someone is willing to refer me, then what I will do is I will move this thing into the referral section, and then I will apply. So I will know that in the Intel I have applied through referral. And again, if they will call me for interview, I will put the Intel into interview section. And if they will call me for on-site interview, then I will move this into the on-site. And suppose if I will get an offer, then I will put it into the offer section, or else I will put it into rejection. So now you know how simple it is. So if you have to write a company name, let's start with, so I will write here Google, and that's it. You have entered it. It's really easy. And for moving, you just have to drag it around from one place to another, for one place to another. It's really simple and easy to use. After this application process, I've also made an interview calendar. So and I've synced this calendar with my Google account and with my Apple ID. So what is already there in my calendar, I can see it here. And also if I will put something in here, it will reflect me in my Google calendar and in my Apple calendar. So here you can see that I have written on the 9th that I had an interview with Josh, and also for 22nd April I have an interview schedule and I am in the 3rd round of the interview, and then again on the 26th of April I have the 1st round interview with one company. So how this help is, at the end of the month when I will set, I will know that I got 1st round of interview from these many companies and I got 2nd round of interview from these many companies, and these were the feedback after getting rejection. So I know what to work on, and also this will give me an idea of like how many interviews I got in the month and how I can improve myself and in what area I have to improve myself. And also this is a monthly calendar, so you can like go into May, June, July, and you can like schedule any interview. And let me show you how you can block your calendar. So what you have to do is, so like suppose I have to book something for like 5th of June. So I will just click here, add an item, and then I will write interview with Microsoft. And then I can also write here date, and if you want you can write here like with whom your interview is, and if you have notes for that you can write it here. Otherwise you can just like click on this, and that's it, you have blocked your calendar. So this is how you can block your calendar and you can use this part. And now coming to the next section, the next section is for important events. So here I have my all the to-do list for all the days, and here I have like important events, like what are the important things which is happening for the like next week. For Monday it was update CV, answer emails, apply to job, and connect with recruiters. So if I'm done with it, I will just take like this. You just have to tick and it will like cross off. And I also have a section here of the important events. So if I will look at this week, I will get to know like what are the important things which are happening. So here are the two things. I have a phone call interview with Notion, and the second thing is I have a career fair to attend. So I know that these two are the important things. Rather than going to all the to-do list, I know that what are the important things. Now coming to the next section, which is study plan. So in the study plan, what I usually do is I keep track of all the things which I need to study about. And again, using this part as simple as the first one. If you want to add a subject here, you can just click on this and you can write wireframe, and if you are done reading about it, you can just like drag like this and you can put it in the done section. And yeah, that's it. And at the last, I have a resources board in which I have placed all the resources, because you know like we found several things useful on LinkedIn and Instagram. So what I usually do is I come here and I place all my resources. And the thing I love about the job search planner is that I have all the things in one place. So I will just open this file and I will see here in what are the companies I applied and what are the plans for my next week. And also if I need to find any resources, if I want to learn about something, I can go here and I can find in the resources section. So this is why I love this tracker, because it has everything you need for the job search and for studying for your interviews. And also I've made an interview guide on Notion which has all the things which you need for interview. So it has like referral message template, resume template, cover letter template, question and answers for interview. In this I've written most basic questions answered by the recruiter and also their potential answer, like how you can like give that answer. So here you can see the question and the potential answer for it, and also you can find the tip at the end of the every question. So if you want this template, you can find the link below. I know that job searching is a really exhausting process and it's really time taking, and it feels so disappointing, like after reaching out to so many people and after applying to so many jobs, we don't get any response. I know that feeling of disappointment, but don't worry about it. Just keep applying and keep giving your best. So all the best and happy job searching. If you can think it, you can make it happen in the Notion. So just believe in yourself and don't give up. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, do like it and please subscribe to my channel. And also you can find all the link in the description. You can find the free Notion template in the description, and I will also mention the link of the interview guide in the description, so you can check it out from there. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, or you can also reach me out on LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.